today's video, the evolution of birds. Remember to like and subscribe. Now, let's begin. It all started on a normal day like any other. At least in 1859, German paleontologist Hermann von Meyer found the fossil of a bird-like dinosaur. It was later named Archaeopteryx in 1860, meaning feathered dinosaur. The fossil was unearthed in Solnhofen, Germany, in a coal mine. It dated all the way back to Late Jurassic, which was around 152 million years ago. At that time, Earth was made up of 2 supercontinents and 2 oceans. We have Laurasia on the northern hemisphere. We also have Gondwana on the southern hemisphere. Laurasia was made up of North America, Europe, Turkey, Iran, Tibet, China, and Siberia. Gondwana consisted of South America, Africa, Arabia, India, Antarctica, and Australia. Since Archaeopteryx was found in Germany, back in the Jurassic period, it would be located in Europe. The 2 oceans are the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Tethys Ocean to the east. As you can see, some countries are located far from where they are now, for example, India. Now let's take a closer look at Europe. It had a subtropical climate, with the temperature ranging from warm to hot, as a result of high amount of carbon dioxide. The Jurassic period was the period of the sauropods. Sauropods were giant, long-necked herbivores. Just imagine a 20-meter-tall sauropod standing above an Archaeopteryx as big as your hand. Archaeopteryx have adapted to gliding through trees or in forests to hunt for flying insects, just like some modern birds. They haven't adapted to flying, though. They also jumped off cliffs to escape predators. I mean, who's escaping those allosaurs with these short little legs? Archaeopteryx fall into a group called theropods, meaning they are bipedal and carnivores. The reason they have feathers traces back to their ancestors, who used them to keep warm, attract mates, and camouflage from predators. So now we have a question. Why did Archaeopteryx need to fly? They wouldn't get anything new if they didn't need it. The answer is because of their food. You see, Archaeopteryx ate flying insects in the air. They needed to jump up to get them. In a certain period of time, these birds have adapted to staying midair longer. Here is a diagram to understand the evolution of feathers until the Jurassic. To explain it simply, birds evolved from crocodiles to theropods to feathered theropods, and eventually to Archaeopteryx. Let's conclude what we learned today. The first ever Archaeopteryx fossil was discovered in 1859 in Germany. Archaeopteryx lived in the late Jurassic. Their habitat was in subtropical areas. They ate small insects by gliding through trees. They also escaped predators by jumping off cliffs. The earliest feathered dinosaurs used feathers to keep warm, attract mates, and camouflage from predators. You might be wondering how modern birds started flying. Well, that's in the next video. That is it for today, everyone. Thank you for watching.